Evolution and Irreducible Complexity. In his book Darwin's Black Box, biochemistry professor Michael J. Behe, an evolutionist, acknowledges a powerful challenge to Darwinian evolution, something he refers to as irreducible complexity. He gives a simple example, the humble mousetrap. The mousetrap has 5 major components that make it functional. If any one of these components is missing, it will not function. It becomes worthless as a mousetrap. He explains that an irreducibly complex system cannot be produced by slight successive modifications because any precursor to an irreducibly complex system that is missing a part is by definition non-functional. Since natural selection can only choose systems that are already working, then if a biological system cannot be produced gradually, it would have to arise as an integrated unit in one fell swoop for natural selection to have anything to act on. Charles Darwin admitted if it could be demonstrated that any complex organ existed which could not possibly have been formed by numerous successive slight modifications, my theory would absolutely break down. The origin of species. If we just take the human eye, one small part of an incredibly complex creation, we will see this same principle of irreducible complexity. The eye cannot be reduced to anything less than what it is. It has thousands of co-equal functions to make it work. If we take away just one of those functions, the rest of the eye is worthless as an eye. How then did the eye evolve when all functions had to be present at once to give it any worth at all? To suppose that the eye, with all its inimitable contrivances for adjusting the focus to different distances, for emitting different amounts of light, and for the correction of spherical and chromatic aberration, could have been formed by natural selection seems, I freely confess, absurd in the highest degree. Charles Darwin, The Origin of Species. Comment. No wonder the focusing muscles in the eye move an estimated 100,000 times each day. The retina contains 137 million light-sensitive cells.